Hey, g'day. We're off to do the Kurrajong Discovery Trail today. The first part is a trip down to Barolo campground and picnic area. And that involves four-wheel drive access. There's a fire trail in, a fire trail out. And then you come back onto Bell's line of road. Then we're going to go through Mountain Lagoon, Sam's Way, and we're going to take a T3 fire trail out to look at views over the Colo. After that, we're going to come through Wheeny Creek and hopefully do a bit of forward driving around Wheeny Creek. Have a look at Wheeny Creek campground, and then back on Comleroy Road. Back out to Bell's line of road after that, and then home. I didn't expect this type of scenery so close to Sydney.
No, we've got some pretty good stuff, if you know where to find it.
Yeah. We're only 100 k's from Sydney, but the scenery is magnificent. It says turn right, but we think that means kind of just go straight on.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do.
That's what we're going to do, down this way.
Okay, there's a signpost.
What's the sign say?
So this is the sign. It's Patterson Range Trail left, but we're going down to Barolo campground. So we're going right. Oh yeah, Barolo. Picnic and camping area. Please take your rubbish with you. We've left Barolo campground and now we're going to climb back out of this valley on that Patterson Range Trail. National Parks and Wildlife, so we must be in the Blue Mountains National Park now. There's just a little bit of water in Barolo Creek, not much.
Hey, good on you.
So it looks like the Patterson Range Trail's got the best forward driving. That one's locked. Don't know what it is. Someone had to drive over that hump.
Oh yeah,
We're older now. We're not hoons like that anymore. Well, that's our story. Still on Patterson's Range Fire Trail, coming back out the valley. We're nearly there, I'd say, because it's flattening out.